Hello and welcome to Autumn Qigong for Better Breathing. My name is Maria Chowdhury, and I will be your guide for this incredible experience. In this Qigong for Autumn's Better Breathing series, I will share powerful Qigong practices designed to cultivate the metal element and lung qi. The breathing exercises are not only going to boost your immune system and fortify your body for the colder winter months, but they also support you to let go and to release old stagnant energy of sadness that's been held in your body. And then from there, it's going to support you to stand in your center, to stand in your value and in your worth and have healthy, protective, loving boundaries that are points of connection. And since the metal element and lungs are associated with fall, the combination of the breathing practices and the flowing movements and the standing postures are here to support you in receiving the gifts of the season with your whole being, with your whole body, mind, and spirit. So, in the course homepage, you're going to find 7 sessions and some bonus material. But in each session, there will be PDFs, audios, and videos. Now, the videos are going to be a full length Qigong practice, about 45 minutes to an hour practice. And then the PDFs and the audios are going to have the core teachings that are associated with the practice to give you context, to give you wisdom to work with as you're doing your Qigong practice. Now, you are encouraged to reach out and ask questions. You can ask questions in the forum, and you're also encouraged to join the Path with Harmony Facebook group, and that information is for you in the course. You can always reach out to me directly by going to the Path with Harmony page and using the contact button or emailing me. My loves, there is so much to this workshop and so much to this journey, but it's for you, whether you're interested in processing grief, boosting your immune system, or experiencing a greater discernment and clarity for your life and for your next steps. So, Qigong for Autumn is offering you empowering practices to help you on your journey. So I invite you to get started with session 1 now, and I will see you on the other side.